that curl. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that body. Look at that bounce. Talking about that bounce back, you know, bounce back. Okay. Yes. What's up, YouTube fam? This is your girl Mata Envy Artistry, back again with another video for you guys. So first and foremost, don't mind the hair, you guys. I just washed my hair the other day, and I'm trying to, you know, just let the natural curls pop. You know, a little bit of those curls is up in there. Okay. And it's crazy because the shrinkage is always so real. Oh, like, where are my inches? Sheesh. So enough of that. For this video on today, you guys, it's gonna be something different, something that I'm a little bit terrified of but excited at the same time because I don't know what to expect. But I am going to be unboxing my first ever wig. I have it here. I did order it from Sam's Beauty. I actually seen a wig review on, I can't remember her name, but I will link her here. She the one gave me the idea to go and purchase this wig. So after I seen her video, I said, you know what, I have to get up on it. Now is the time. So let's get into it.
I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws.
I'm super excited, like, because I don't know what to expect, and that just makes it so much more exciting. Like, OMG. Let's see. Might even pop one of these bad boys on, because I ordered two. So I might just pop one of these on tomorrow. I have to go back to work tomorrow. I've actually been off for 7 days, guys. So you already know, I am not ready to go back to work. So the first one on top, because I forgot what I ordered. The first one on top, guys, is the Equal the Luxury Integration, the 5-inch lace part. It's called Valentino 1B, because I'm color 1B. Valentino. So let's check her out, you know, just see what she working with. And I'm probably gonna do something wrong, so if I do, don't laugh at me, you guys, because I honestly don't know what I'm doing. I'm so clueless when it comes to wigs. Look, I can't even open the darn thing right. Okay. How do I do this? Okay, here it is. Here it is. So here she is, guys. She comes like this. You should check out the little curl down there. Check out that curl. Body, 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 body. Look at that. Look at the way that thing shakes. Yes. Alright, so it comes with the net on it, so that's awesome. And this is synthetic hair, you guys. So for it to have that much body and be synthetic, that's amazing. Okay, so it comes with that. Let's see. Let me just do like a run through. Okay. It feels synthetic.
Yeah.
I've had a lot of human hair in my day, so I can tell the authentic human hair from synthetic hair. I haven't had a human wig, but I've had human bundles, okay? And the texture is so much different. But this looks nice. It's pretty good. Nice curl, nice and wavy. I can't wait to try it on and see what it looks like. So this is what this one looks like put on. Now this one, guys, I don't know about this one. I don't know. Like this one, I feel like it looks like a wig. Maybe because I don't know what to do with lace fronts. I don't know. I like the curls, you know. That's how the back looks. So the curls are definitely not an issue. It's just, I don't know. I just get this wig feeling when I have this one on. You know what? Let me try one other way. Okay, so now we're cooking with grease. That middle part is not for me. But once I tipped it to the side, I feel like this suits me so much better. I think my forehead is like too flat or something for a middle part. It just doesn't look right on me, okay? But this is a side part. Of course, I just had to make sure my part on my natural hair is real straight, so I can line that up really well. Once I do that, I think this look is a go. As long as I got like a little swoop or something going on here, it totally suits my face, and this is so me. And then this is how it looks in the back, tilted to the side. Curl still there, shaky, bouncy. And it looks like I'm ready for the office, business type, ready, let's go, okay? Spin that thing around, spin that thing around, So it does have like the clippings on the inside that you can clip it to your hair. It's one here, one here. Of course, if you have it straight, it'll be like one on each side, and then it's one in the back. So since I have it tilted, the comb is like on this side, stuffed up in there. But yeah, guys, so this is me with this wig. What do you think? Do you like? Which way do you prefer to wear your part? Straight down the middle, on the side? See, for me, it's my right side. Are you a left side person? What are you? I would love to know. Awesome. So that's wig number 1. Yeah, I know, goodness, well, that couldn't stand up like that. What is wrong with me? So I'm just going to lay her right here for now, so we can get to this other one. And this other one I'm super excited about because I knew I ordered a curly wig. So let's just see what she looking like, guys. If she come out looking like homegirl here on this picture, y'all, you're not gonna be able to tell me nothing because she is Maribel. But it's gonna be Peaches up in this mug, okay? Those of you that don't know, my nickname is Peaches. So once you put this on Peaches, y'all. Okay, Maribel, you cute or whatever. All right, let's see, can I do this number 2? I just did it for 1. This one should be easier, but it's looking like it's harder to do. Is it stuck glued in here? Y'all, they making sure no one rips this out. Oh my goodness. Okay, I finally have it out. They got the cardboard all stapled all up. They not playing. They protecting this hair, honey, and making sure you don't steal it or anything. You don't have easy access. You're gonna work to get in. So if you just try to steal or something, you don't worry about stealing this hair. Oh my God, guys, look at this curl. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so cute. Like, I already know this is gonna be my baby right here. Oh my goodness, look at that up close. Look at that curl. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that body. Look at that bounce. You talking about that bounce back? You know, bounce back. Okay. Yes, they're not gonna be ready for me in this, you guys. They're not gonna be ready. I can't wait. She may be getting worn tomorrow. Yes, I absolutely love it, you guys, and I can't wait to put it on. Baby, let me tell you, this wig, guys, it is everything, okay? Like, look at these curls. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love. I am so in love, you guys. Just look at that bounce. Like, why can't my natural curls be like this? Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna let you look at the back. Curls for days, for days. Look at the bounce, the shake. Okay. This wig is everything. Everything. I'm so in love with this wig, you guys. Like, feeling myself. But yeah, so I love the look here. When you put it on, the hair is flipped back, so then you just puff it out and style however you want. But of course, I love like the side part, so I had to tilt me some hair to the side, you know, fluff it out a little bit to make it cute and suit my face. Now what I want to do is cut the back because I don't like how it's super long like that. I want to cut it like going across so it can be like a bob, like the bob effect. So it'll be long hair, puffy out in the back, but cut to my neck. I think that'll be super cute. What are you guys thinking? What do you think? So yeah, I'm gonna chop it up a little bit and see what that looks like. But for my first impressions, guys, this is it. Okay, this is it. This is love galore. Okay, so my first impression of this wig, I absolutely love it. I love the way it looks on me. It brings out my face. Oh, and let's take a moment to look at these eyebrows, guys. Did I or did I not do these eyebrows? Did I slay them or what? You just have to give it a moment of silence to praise the eyebrows. Look at that perfect arch. I'm crazy, you guys. But yeah, what do you think? Do you like this hair? Do you like it on me? You can part it and wear it on both sides, so you can wear it in the middle. I'm just not a middle part girl. I love side parts, so that's why I swooped it on the side here. And I just think it really suits my face. My ladies out there, would you purchase this wig? Okay, because it is everything. Everything, okay? Everything. So that's that one. Zoom. I must say I'm impressed from Sam's Beauty. And it didn't take long for it to come here either. I think maybe like a week. It didn't take long for them to ship it out at all. So that was a total plus. So this is just my first impressions of the wig, you guys. Just let me know in the comments, how are you with the wigs? Are you the type to wear wigs all the time? Do you have some tips and pointers that you can give your girl? Put that down in the comments, you know, because I'm gonna be down in the comments reading everything that you all tell me, because I need help, guys. I need help. I'm not too proud to ask for help. So I'm gonna end this video here. For the newbies, thanks for coming to my channel. If you're not part of the NV Artistry family yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell so that you can be notified for all the future videos to come. And you know what? Share it with a friend. Let them know that we're on and popping on this channel, that we're doing beauty on this channel, that we're doing hauls on this channel, that we're doing lifestyles, we're doing reviews, we're doing unboxing, you know, whatever the Lord leads me to do. That's what we're going to do here on this channel. So if you're someone that you love to be spontaneous and never know what to expect, come see about your girl. Come and see about your girl, because that's how we rocking it here on the Model NV Artistry team. Okay, so comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified, and you know, and I'll catch you in the next videos. And for the ones that's been rocking with me from day one, y'all know I love y'all. I love each and every one of you, and let's just keep rocking it. I see you all in the next videos, and just don't forget, let me know now. I need those tips and tricks. Let me know. See you guys. Mwah. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.